About the marriage line, other part. See, marriage line of the number of lines is here something one, two, three like this. Meaning of the numbers of lines say no marriage lines. If you don't have marriages, if you don't have the marriage line, it means that you have no desire to love. You have no interest or couldn't be attracted by the opposite sex. You usually don't pay much attention on marriage and be maybe a sexless. Instead, you like to focus more on hobbies or career. If you are younger than 20, you may don't have a marriage line. As you grow older and contact we more with the opposite sex. The marriage line may appear if you are already married and don't have the line. Then the most case is that you don't have interest in your partner. See if you have the only one line like this. If you have the only one line. If you have only one marriage lines which is clear, you find could find an ideal love to marry and live a happy life with your partner for all life after marriage. If the line is long with any surplus lines, it indicates a sound, a lasting marriage. And coming to the most than one line, see if you have like the one more. This is one and second one. In general, most of the people have marriage lines more than one. It's not accurate to think only will have how many times a marriage according to the numbers of the line. See, if you have the two lines, some people explain that two marriage lines means one have the two marriages. In fact, it's not right. Most of the people have the two lines. As long as their lines are deeper with clear with the red color, the people could still have a second sound marriage. See, if you have the two marriage lines running parallel with the same length, it indicates a torturous marriage. Also, people who separate with his or her partner for a long time and reunite usually have this kind of marriage line. If you have two lines running parallel with a different lengths, not in a single length, at different length, they're easy to fall in love, trying situations. Okay, if you the two lines, one short and another is bigger, one short, one bigger, uh, are not parallel, it indicates they will be going to be separation or divorce. And coming to the three marriage lines, see if you have the three marriage lines, one, two, three. The three lines means mixed emotions in a week. Concept of is charity. If you have the three marriage lines, you may have a poor connection of life. You are usually talented, romantic, and passionate to the opposite sex. If you couldn't utilize your wisdom, there would be troubles in love life like this. And coming to the four lines, if you have the four lines, now one, two, three, four. If you have the four lines, Maslin, it shows you have a romantic character. Usually are not satisfied with the uneventful life. So you are prone to have many love affairs. So if you have over three, six marriage lines, think you have the six marriage lines. The six marriage lines. And there is no one can regard it a major one. It shows a complex marriage life. If the lines are long, it's long, going to be long. Uh, if the lines the marriage six lines once again, if the marriage four lines, four long and thin marriage lines, it shows you have a romantic character usually not fits with the uneventful life, so you're prone to have the many love affairs we already told you. So if they are over six marriage lines and there is no one can be regarded a marriage line, it shows a complex marriage life. If their lines is going to be long. It indicates hostile to select a match partner. Usually have a high requirement for love and have a great pressure in life. This is the story. One second line, second, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, like this. This is the story for this day.